Garrett thinks that he can jump across this ditch. I don't know if he can, but I'm gonna make sure that we get it on camera. Hope you get it, buddy. Saying his prayers. Oh, chickened out. No, you're not running in your socks. Definitely not doing it. Look at him.
He did it.
I made it. Now Garrett's got to do it. Boom! With the tuck and roll.
I did
Hey.
it.
Nice. Shed hunting, baby. That's what it's all about. I'm on a serious dry spell, but finally found one. Good Lord. Nice too. Probably my best of the year. So far. Nothing wrong with that. Man, finally breaking out of this dead streak I'm in. Another one. Decent too. Fairly fresh. They're definitely starting to fall now. This is when you know you've got your eye trained for shed hunting. I don't know how I saw this, but I saw it. In a field full of corn stalks and root balls. Oh wait, what's that? Half buried in the ground. Ugh. There it is. An old one, but it counts. What is up? Welcome back. Yes, it is still February. It is warmer today, but we're still gonna be out shed hunting. But we are shed hunting our way back to a fire pond. When's the last time we were here? Like the summer?
Not the last summer, but the last summer. So
not
about
last
like
summer, but the
2
last
years
summer.
ago.
No, it wasn't.
No, 1 year ago.
It was the summer. We were catching some big fish in this spot. We have left it alone. We've not been in here at all. So I'm hoping we can pull a big old fish out of there. We got some finesse setups. We've got some moving baits. We're gonna see what works. And maybe we find ourselves an antler on the way back there. Fish win. We had some hits. We had some follows. We could see some fish over here in this clear water, but they were not picking it up. Like the hits that we had were on like Texas rig D-bombs or shaky head D-bomb, and they would just like nip at it, grab it, and then just let go. So we give up. I'm going to resort to using some old footage from this summer, so we actually have something to share this week. So hope you enjoy, and we'll see you soon. We got a couple minutes, so we'll see if we can catch another fish. Now, even when we go out for 5 minutes to throw up a couple casts, you gotta bring a camera, because if we don't, we're definitely gonna catch a 5-pounder.
I am going to throw this. Oh,
What are you going with?
the bluegill crankbait. Wait. Boom. It's a dink, but I knew it's the world record bass, right? That's the world record.
There we go. There we go. Yeah, better fish. There we go. Is it a catfish, you think? Yeah, big old cat.
Whoa, that's a big catfish.
Here, hold this line tight so it didn't shake all over the place. Oh my gosh, look at him. Look at this. Hey! Oh, he won't stop.
Just shut up.
I think he's around 487. That's where it wanted to. Yeah, 487. If you caught a bass that size, that'd be a different story. Good Lord, this thing is huge.